Hello there. My name is Anido Daniel Debonte, freshman student at the ICT University Yaoundé, and also a Group 5 member. I am here today to present to you my research journey, starting with the topic Domestic Abuse Aid in Cameroon. To begin, after having chosen my topic, I did more research on my topic and jotted down the important things about my topic. Domestic abuse is a famous thing in the society, but many people ignore it, and yet many people suffer from it in secret in our society. So after having jotted down these important facts about my topic, I downloaded 150 articles into Mendeley about my topic. After having downloaded these articles, I then created a Google Form questionnaire using Google Form, of course, with the aim of sharing it so I could get people's personal views and perspective concerning my topic. So after having shared it, I then got back the responses. When I got back these responses, I wrote an article based on the responses people sent. Now these charts you see here rank from the highest responses to the lowest, be it negative or positive. After having done that too, I then wrote another article, a more detailed article this time, concerning my topic. Here, abuse and domestic abuse are defined. My research interest is stated. My research question is asked. How helpful is technology in domestic abuse? My research problem is also stated. Furthermore, more things like the main purpose for why I carried out this research, the specific objectives, my hypothesis, the scope, starting from the technological scope, which shows the technology I'm going to use to solve the problem. It also states the methodological scope, with mine being the waterfall scope, showing the progress of my research, the content scope, and the geographical scope, which shows where this research is happening and where I aim to carry out my project. After having done that, I then summarized 150 articles in Microsoft Excel based on the author's name, year of publication, title, research problems, research methodology, the results, and the contributions to society and to education. When I was done with that, I then wrote a literature review based on the articles that had been summarized on Microsoft Excel and based on the scholar's point of view. I also wrote concerning the findings from literature, the themes, and also from some information based on the articles shown here in Microsoft Excel, like the methodology, the problem, the weaknesses, the strengths, and in conclusion, after having reviewed these 150 articles, I noticed that the scholars only contributed solutions that were not technological, and therefore the problem was not solved. And so, my technological solution to this problem will be to create an application that will work both for computers and cell phones, which aims at helping abuse victims of all kinds, domestic abuse victims also included, helping them physically, mentally, and also providing security for them. This being said, we have come to the end of my project. Thank you for watching.